Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel if you are not new, and welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Bria, and I just wanted to introduce myself for the people who don't know me, or even those of you who have been watching my videos. And today I'm going to be kind of giving you guys a little bit of an update about like my life and like what's gonna be going on, but at the same time as doing this makeup look for you guys. This is like my everyday no makeup look, and I thought that I would show you guys because it has changed drastically since I made one like 3 years ago. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go. So hey guys, it's been forever since I've like sat down and I've done a talking video with you guys. And no, I'm not naked. I think you guys can see I have on like this strapless dress, but it's like literally been forever since I've sat down and talked to you guys. I've been trying to kick out and like finish editing and uploading all of my study abroad vlogs. I've been home for about 3 weeks, but I have been on the go. So a week after I got home from being abroad, I had to go on a business trip to DC for like 4 days, and I worked like 12-14 hours a day. But this past weekend I went to Philly. I vlogged a little bit of that for you guys, but I wanted to catch up with you guys, and I thought what better way to catch up than to do an updated like foundation routine, like everyday makeup routine. Granted, I don't wear makeup every day, but if I am gonna wear makeup on a day, like on a regular day, not like going out, like not going out somewhere like fancy or anything like that, just like a regular day, a regular face, this is what I would do. So I'm gonna do that while updating you guys about what has been going on and what will be coming in the future. So before I start, let me just show you guys what I'll be using. So these two foundations, I recently found this combination of foundations. I've had them both individually for a little while, but still less than a year. And one day I just decided to put them together because I really like this one, but it's a little, this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, by the way. This is an amazing foundation. I like it by itself, but it's a little, it's slightly dark on me, and I also wanted a little bit more of a dewy finish as well, in the shade 6W1 Sandalwood. And I don't even know if it's focusing. There we go. And then, so yeah, I really like this foundation, but I wanted something a little bit like less matte and a little bit more dewy, but I still wanted my matteness because my skin is like combination oily, you know. So I also picked up this foundation, which is Burt's Bees, and it's the Goodness Glows liquid foundation, and I am in the shade 1060 Chestnut. Now this one is also a really good foundation. I like it. I just think it's not quite matte enough. So I was like, I like these foundations for the exact, like I have problems with these foundations for the exact opposite reasons of each other, so why not combine them? And I combined them, and it's honestly the greatest thing that I did. So I'm going to be using these as my foundations today, and I am going to be blending them in with a wet beauty blender. I don't put that much. I just use a pump of the Burt's Bees, and then I pour my Double Wear over it. Not too much. I actually poured more than I usually do this time, but that's what it be looking like. But yeah, so on with the updates. So I haven't been able to sit down and I'm using the camera as a mirror, so hopefully this goes well. But so I haven't really like sat down and relaxed since I've been home too much. I've been home for the past couple of days, like just home by myself, which has been really nice. I will not be home for much longer because in about a week and a half, I go to training for my internship my summer internship. I'm working for a really big company in my field, and I'm really excited about it. And so when I start doing that, is when my summer goes crazy, because I have to go to Dallas for training. So I'm flying out to Dallas, and I'll be there for 4 days and come back on a Thursday, and like I have to go to my office and work on that Friday, and go through like orientation stuff there. And then we're actually off for the entire week of 4th of July, so I'm only working in my office that Friday before we leave to go on break for the 4th of July. And during that break, I will be going to San Diego for a week to go visit Skylar, so you guys will be seeing her again. And yeah, it's like me and one of our other friends. We're just gonna go fly out to San Diego and spend the 4th of July together. So I am super excited about that. But I'm also gonna be bringing you guys with me. I want to try to bring you to Dallas, but I just can't promise that, just because that's like a work business trip and I'm gonna be doing training, so I can't truly promise you that, but I might be able to vlog a little bit of that. So after I do my foundation, I have no idea where to put this because it has foundation on it and I don't want to get it on anything. I didn't think this through. After I blend all of my foundation in, I am going to mix 2 more products. And I love this powder. This is the Superstay Better Skin powder, and it's in the shade 95 Coconut. This is what it looks like. I have had it for forever, so this is like rubbing off. I've hit pan on this, like this is almost gone. But this doesn't keep me matte all day, so I mix it with e.l.f. translucent powder. And I don't like using translucent powder by itself either, because translucent powder on like colored skin is it's not our best friend. She likes to make us look a little ashy. I just take a big fluffy brush, rub around in the colored powder, and then I take it and I dip a little bit in the translucent, tap it off, and then I just start rubbing it all over to set. Continuing on with like summer trips and plans, after I get back from San Diego, I will be back for, what will I be back for? A week in my New York office working, and after that week, I will be on a family cruise. My aunts and my cousins and my grandma are coming as well, so that should be fun. And we're going for 8 days, so yeah, super exciting. I'm excited about that, can't wait. And then I will be back for 2 weeks after that, and then I will be going on my annual trip with my family to Martha's Vineyard. The next thing that I do after I set that is I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany, and it looks like, just looks like this. It's pretty dark, but I take her and I will go in just in my cheeks and around my forehead, and then I will contour by my nose as well. So yeah, we have a very jam-packed summer coming up. However, it's a really exciting, and it's gonna be like a really fun summer, and I'm excited to like vlog for you guys this summer, because I just really want to keep this vlogging up, but I also want to do more sit down videos with you guys, because I feel like I really miss them. Like, I am enjoying this right here. Going to be trying to vlog everything for you guys all of my trips, especially the ones that I'm taking with my family, because I feel like those are even easier for me to vlog than like obviously than like my business trips and things like that will be. So I'm going to be using the NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brown Pomade in the shade Espresso, which is the dark brown, not the black. The black is too dark for me. So yeah, another thing that I want to do for you guys is do like internship week in my life. I'm working for an accounting firm. That's as much as I will share with you guys. I am working for a big accounting firm, and yeah, so I do want to vlog for you guys while about my internship, and I want to do like outfits for you guys, internship outfits, because I feel like a lot of people like aren't sure what to wear for like, or like younger people like my age aren't, I'm 21 by the way, aren't like super well versed in like what to wear to work, or they think that like work outfits have to be like boring and like plain and all of that, and like I'm here to tell you that they don't. Like, baby girl, you have so many options when it comes to like what to wear to work. You can make so many cute outfits for work and you have no idea, but you really can. So I think I want to do like kind of like an internship series. Okay, I think brows are pretty, I think we're pretty good on brows. So yeah, that's what I use to fill in my brows, and I really enjoy this product. I have been using this product for a while, and it's really nice for brows. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next thing that I will do is I will go in with a liquid highlighter. I feel like liquid highlighters are a little bit like more subtle than powder highlighters. I feel like powder highlighters, you put them on and it's like bam, like, you know, like blinding, all that. But the liquids are a little less harsh. So I will usually take some of the highlighter, like the tiniest bit for every day, and put it on the back of my hand like this. This is the Japonesque Liquid Lights in the shade number 3. They don't have names, but it's shade number 3. And I will take that and take my beauty blender, but the like little tip of it, and dab it into the highlighter and just go in on my cheekbones a little bit, and it adds like a really like subtle highlight, and I absolutely love it. I think it's a gorgeous everyday highlight. So yeah, I put that on, and then I go in on my nose as well with that, and my Cupid's bow, and then my like underneath my brows as well, my brow bone. That's all I do for my face, and then I set with Urban Decay De-Slick. So yeah, because like I said, I have oily skin, so we have to set with De-Slick. I want you to all know that I just got this in my mouth and it tastes disgusting. One of the last things that I do is I will put on some mascara, and I always have used like Live and Breathe by Maybelline Great Lash, and maybe I should try other mascaras, but I just, you know, I just can't seem to get away from Maybelline Great Lash. It is like, I just love the formula. I mean, my philosophy is if it's not broke, don't fix it. So we're using Maybelline Great Lash, probably in Blackest Black. I believe that's the shade I usually buy. What else do I need to update you guys on? I'm setting new goals for myself, so I want to start uploading weekly. That's a goal of mine. Even while I'm working, even once I start school, I would like to start uploading for you guys at least once a week, and then hopefully in the future, it'll probably be the kind of far future, we can move into like twice a week uploads. But for now, we're gonna try to get onto a schedule of once a week for you guys, because I really enjoy sitting down and filming videos, and I enjoy doing videos, making videos in general. But I just like, I feel like I don't make the time for it. Granted, I'm a very busy person. Like, I'm not going to say that like I'm not a busy person, but I feel like a lot of the time I'm busy doing things that aren't as important to me and things that I don't love as much, and I don't focus on the things that I love as much as I should. So that's a new goal of mine, is to start like putting my energy into the things that I really want to do. So we're about done with this video. That's like about all the updates I have for you guys, kind of. If I think of more, you know, we have many more videos to go. So yeah, just the last things that I do are put on some chapstick. This is literally like a random chapstick. This is like New Jersey Natural Gas chapstick. It's a random chapstick. As long as your lips are moisturized, honey, like just keep it pushing. And then this is a lip gloss. I just put on a lip gloss, like any lip gloss. Your like beauty supply lip gloss will work, whatever, for like every day. But this is a lip gloss that I got from Icing years ago. You remember when Icing used to exist? I don't know if they still exist. I don't think they do. I think only Claire's exist now, but Icing was a thing. If you were around when Icing was a thing, you are probably part of my generation, and I appreciate you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like watching my like no makeup look for like every day. If you guys have any videos that you guys want to see, please let me know down below in the comments. Any suggestions, like literally anything, and I will try to do them for you. If you have questions about me going abroad and my abroad experience, what I wish I knew before going abroad, about like any of the specific places that I went to, I think I'm actually gonna do a video about being abroad and all of that, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you, like I said, if you have anything else you want to see, just let me know down below and I will get it done for you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys and I hope you have an amazing day.
Small just a little bit, trying just a little bit.